Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, GorgeousOneMink. Thank you guys for joining me. If you are new to this channel, please go subscribe, guys, and like this video, comment, and share for the world to see. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm recording this on Monday. Today is Monday, but I did want to let you guys know that I went thrift shopping. I don't know if I said it right. Guys, I cannot talk right today. Oh my goodness. But I went thrift shopping, I think it was Saturday. I got like a couple of, items, products, and some clothes as well. So I wanted to share, what I got with you guys. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of you do go thrift shopping, and trust me, I do not have a problem with thrift shopping. Before we get into what I got from the thrift store, I would like to address that not a lot of people like to go thrift shopping, but I do. I don't mind hand-me-down things, but as long as you sanitize it before you wear it, that's my thing. There are certain items that I wouldn't get because I'm afraid that something might be attached to it. I'm sure I'm not the only one that feels that way. But as far as clothes go, you can always make a whole outfit with the items that you find at the thrift store. So I don't have a problem with getting clothes. I don't know about shoes. That's an iffy for me. It gotta look really brand new for me to get the shoes. But like jewelry, shirts, pants, dresses, like all in one outfit or something like that. I love getting stuff like that. Sometimes jewelry, that depends as well. Like bracelets or rings, something that I really like, stuff or like a scarf or anything like that. I also like to get stuff like that. Now lipstick, stuff that I don't like stuff like that. No lipstick, no mascara or anything, because some of them thrift stores, they do be having stuff like that, and I don't touch none of that stuff. But I usually get from my family as well because they don't mind, and I like to save. Who doesn't like to save money? I love to save money. Some people think, that, oh, I'm too good for thrift shopping and all that. No, why? Like, there's all these clothes and stuff, all these stuff to get. Why go to all these high brand stores like the mall? Like, it's expensive. You coming out of here spending like hundreds of dollars in the mall alone, and they have these other expensive places as well. Now don't get me wrong, I like to buy new stuff here and there, but my go-to is like thrift shopping. Because I mean, if I decide I don't want that outfit or that shirt or those pants anymore or whatever, I know that I didn't spend as much money, and I don't feel bad, for wanting to give it to somebody else that would actually need it if I decide that I don't want to wear it anymore. As far as the clothes that I spend a lot of money on, I would want to wear that for a long time if I'm spending like $50 for just a doggone shirt. I mean, I know I'm not the only one that feel that way. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the community. I think it's called community posts. You have to reach a certain amount of subscribers. I think it's 1,000 to be able to post for the community to see, what you post, or for you to even get the community tab, if I'm not mistaken. I'm hoping to reach 1,000 soon, because I'm noticing that you really can get through to your subscribers through the community post that you make, and having that community tab, it'll help me out a lot. So I'm really considering doing a giveaway. I just don't know what kind of giveaway I want to do, because I kind of don't want to wait to make it to 1,000. I kind of wanted to wait till I get close to 1,000 to do a giveaway. But if it takes too long, I might just do it to where it might be a little small giveaway so that maybe 900 subscribers, and then do another one to make it to 1,000. It depends on how long it takes for me to get there. I'm still thinking, so this is not set in stone, but I'm trying to figure out how can I reach that quickly, because my channel is just getting started. So I really don't expect for subscribers to just be flowing in, because that's not how it happened, you know, when I had the channel 121085. Well, this is the channel, but whenever my name was 121085 baby girl, and I was doing my videos, and when I first started my videos, the very first time I started, it was going really slow like this. And after I started doing giveaways, interacting more, I was actually doing way more videos. That's another thing I need to start doing. I need to do maybe 2 or 3 a week, 2, 3 videos a week instead of just one, just to start getting it flowing. But I'm thinking maybe of a giveaway. What do you guys think? Because I'm not sure. If it is a giveaway, it will be a small one. And just so that I can, you know, try to get some more subscribers and to reach that 1,000, so I can actually get the community posts and I can actually see what you guys want from me. I can also interact with my subscribers and, you know, see what y'all doing. You know what I'm saying? So even after that, I would still do other giveaways, not just for, you know, for more subscribers to get the community tab. I would do giveaways just to thank all of my not my followers. See, I'm on TikTok too much. All of my subscribers for sticking in there. The ones that has still been there since I started the 121085 baby girl channel. You know, that name, when that name began, when I first started this channel. Before GorgeousOneMink, y'all stuck through it all. Like, y'all still here. There's a lot of people that's still here, and I would love to do a giveaway for them as well as the new subscribers. So let me know what y'all think. But we're gonna get into the goodies. Guys, these are the pants that I got from Goodwill, which is the thrift store I bought it from. See if I can put this light down. You might not be able to see as good, but they're like some skinny pants. Okay, see if you can see the whole. I'm trying to hold my phone so I can record for you guys, and the lighting so you guys can see it a little better, because the light in my room is kind of like a little off. But these are the pants. I love these pants. They're called VIP pants. I mean VIP jeans. And I love how it kind of like fades right here. I love that. And we have the shirt. I also have this shirt. I love this shirt. It's cute. Let's see. It doesn't say. It says American City Wear. I'm not sure where that's from, but I like the way this shirt looks. That would go good with those jeans right there. Okay, and I also got this Old Navy shirt. Pretty sure a lot of you shop at Old Navy, so their clothes is pretty decent prices, but I love Old Navy clothes as well. So to find this at Goodwill, I hurry up and jumped on that. I also got this, guys. Let's see if I can hold this up so you guys can see. This is I think it's like an antique jewelry box. I don't know, but it's just so cute. It's super cute. I just want y'all to see how. Let me see how you open this. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Look at this, guys. this on both sides. I thought this was super cute. It also has the drawers. And they have the little wine on the back. Sorry, the light fell. Wine on the back. But this is basically so cute. I'll show you the back of it. See, it has a little wine on the back if I want to do it again. So the little I guess ballerina could turn. But this is super cute. I was gonna repaint it, but I was like, why would I do that? This looks like it's antique, so I'm gonna leave it. I just think it's super cute. And last but not least, I also got this cute, it goes around your waist, this cute little purse. And I kind of needed one. This would go with any outfit, any color. Look at that. I love the buckle on it. Love this buckle. I think it's super cute. Let's show you how it looks on the inside. This is how it looks on the inside. There's a little pocket right here. Let's see. And some little debit card pockets as well. Excuse my nails. Super cute, guys, and it's called Penny May, I think. Penny May. And I like this little pocket right here too. So I can't wait. So yeah, guys, this is the little mini thrift haul that I wanted to show you. It's not big, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. It's some pretty good stuff, and I usually do more thrift shopping than this, and I really never thought about doing videos for this, but I will do that from now on because I know a lot of people love to see, you know, what you got. But I love this. You know, I think if I would have stayed in the stores a little longer, I think I would have gotten more stuff. It's so addictive.